And today is what, October 5th,
Yes.
2012.
Yes.
And this is Richard. You want to introduce yourself to everybody,
my
Richard?
name is Richard Dreisacre, and I just want to let you know that anybody that's disabled, that's short, or they think is deemable with the federal government, be careful, because they got a law or a ruling by Social Security and federal law that if you are at a certain criteria, they will cut or absolutely stop Social Security for you. And I've been going through this for almost 9 years. They tell you that when you become an adult child instead of disabled, you have no rights to get married, and you will lose your Social Security. So, because they don't consider you disabled. Now, what you need to make sure is that they tell you that, so then you can fight it. I fought it, and I won, but you guys have got to try. And be careful, because like I said, the federal law is got a real stipulation, and I think that should be taken out of both the federal and state laws, if there's any from the states that have that. And that's about all I can tell you. I just wish you luck, and if you need to know anything, my friend here that's got this videoing me, he can give you the number and stuff, and we'll go from there.
Now, was this new law enacted by Obama, or how was
Well,
it?
this was actually elected by President Clinton.
Oh, Clinton started
Yeah,
this.
and then they kind of let it up for a while, and then the Bush, the other Bush, I don't know if it was actually Bush or the Congress or Senate at the time, they put this in the rules. And I think for a while I thought it was not a law. I actually thought it was one of their stipulations, you know, how they make regulations for Social Security, because they say there's at least 27 programs out there that are Medicaid programs. Well, if you're not disabled, or if they don't consider you totally disabled, you're up the creek. So that's what I found out, and that's when they goofed me up, and they say you can't get married if you're an adult child, which I never heard of. I mean, you know, they'll allow same-sex and everything else marriages. Why won't they allow that? That's got to stop, because too many people are going to get burned, and I know at least 10,000 people that are not kids, but people are on disability or not disabled now because of that, and they are disabled, but they won't call it that.